Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We, as an interior and exterior design expert, share with you modern, trending, and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Friends, in this video we will explore the latest world Entryway console design ideas that incorporate stylish mirrors to elevate your foyer aesthetic. Whether you have a small entryway or a grand foyer, these design inspiration will help you create a welcoming and chic entrance to your home. When selecting a design for a modern entryway console with a mirror, consider these key features to ensure you create a stylish and functional entrance. Number 1. Measure your entryway's dimensions to choose a console that fits comfortably in the space without overwhelming it. Ensure the mirror size is proportional to the console and the wall. Number 2. Decide on the overall style you want, whether it's minimalistic, contemporary, industrial, rustic, or any other style. The console and mirror should complement each other and match your home's decor. Number 3. Consider materials that suit your chosen style. For example, sleek metal or glass for a modern look, reclaimed wood for a rustic vibe, or a mix of materials for a unique contemporary design. Number 4. Determine your storage needs. Some consoles come with drawers or shelves which can be handy for storing keys, mail, or other items. Ensure it provides both style and functionality. Number 5. Choose a console shape that complements your entryway. Rectangular consoles are common, but you can also explore curved, oval, or geometric shapes for added visual interest. Number 6. Select colors and finishes that harmonize with your existing decor. Neutral tones are versatile, but you can also use bold colors or metallic finishes for a statement piece. Number 7. Pay attention to the mirror's frame design. It should harmonize with the console and overall decor. Frameless mirrors offer a sleek, minimalistic look, while ornate frames add a touch of elegance. Number 8. Think about how lighting can enhance your entryway. Consider wall sconces or pendant lights above the console to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Number 9. Ensure the console provides functionality beyond aesthetics. It should have a surface for placing items like key, wallets, or decor elements. If you need extra storage, option for a console with shelves or drawers. Number 10. The mirror should be strategically placed to reflect light and make the space feel larger and brighter. Consider its angle and positioning in relation to natural and artificial light sources. Number 11. Choose materials that are easy to clean and maintain, especially for high traffic enterways. Number 12. And the last one is set a budget before you start shopping to help narrow down your options. There are consoles and mirrors available at various price points, so you can find one that suits your budget. By carefully considering these key factors, you can select a modern entryway console with a mirror that not only looks great but also enhances the functionality and ambience of your home's interest. Designing a home entryway console with a mirror is an exciting opportunity to create an inviting and stylish entrance to your home. By focusing on the key features like size, style, material, storage, and lighting, you can achieve a balanced and functional design that suits your space and personal taste. Remember to harmonize the console and mirror. Pay attention to details like frame design and consider the reflective qualities of the mirror to maximize the space potential. Whether your style is minimalistic, contemporary, rustic, or something in between, there are options to suit every preferences and budget. I hope this video is according to your taste. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.